Top 15 teams in Indian Premier League. Number 15 Pune Warriors India. Pune Warriors India participated 3 tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 46 matches and won 12 matches and having 26.66 winning percentage. Pune Warriors India never played playoffs in Indian Premier League. Number 14 Kochi Tuskers Kerala. Kochi Tuskers Kerala participated only one tournament in Indian Premier League. Played 14 matches and 6 won matches and having 42.85 winning percentage. Kochi Tuskers Kerala never played playoffs. Number 13 Gujarat Lions. Gujarat Lions participated 2 tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 30 matches and won 13 matches and having 45 winning percentage. Gujarat Lions qualified only one time for playoffs. Number 12 Lucknow Super Giants. Lucknow Super Giants participated 3 tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 44 matches and won 24 matches and having 55.81 winning percentage. Lucknow Super Giants qualified 2 times for playoffs. Number 11 Rising Pune Super Giants. Rising Pune Super Giants participated 2 tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 30 matches and won 15 matches and having 50 winning percentage. Rising Pune Super Giants qualified only one time for playoffs and played one final in Indian Premier League. Number 10 Punjab Kings. Punjab Kings played all tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 246 matches and won 109 matches and having 45.12 winning percentage. Punjab Kings qualified 2 times for playoffs and played one final in Indian Premier League. Number 9 Delhi Capitals. Delhi Capitals played all tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 252 matches and 112 won matches and having 45.60 winning percentage. Delhi Capitals qualified 6 times for playoffs and played one final in Indian Premier League. Number 8 Royal Challengers Bangalore. Royal Challengers Bangalore played all tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 256 matches and 121 won matches and having 48.61 winning percentage. Royal Challengers Bangalore qualified 9 times for playoffs and played 3 finals in Indian Premier League. Number 7 Deccan Chargers. Deccan Chargers played 5 tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 75 matches and 29 won matches and having 38.66 winning percentage. Deccan Chargers qualified 2 times for playoffs and played one final and have 1 trophy in Indian Premier League. Number 6 Gujarat Titans. Gujarat Titans played 3 tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 45 matches and 28 won matches and having 62.22 winning percentage. Gujarat Titans qualified 2 times for playoffs and played 2 finals and have 1 trophy in Indian Premier League. Gujarat Titans have more winning percentage in the Indian Premier League. Number 5 Rajasthan Royals. Rajasthan Royals played 15 tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 222 matches and won 110 matches and having 50.91 winning percentage. Rajasthan Royals qualified 6 times for playoffs and played 2 finals and have 1 trophy in Indian Premier League. Rajasthan Royals is the inaugural tournament champions of Indian Premier League. Number 4 Sunrisers Hyderabad. Sunrisers Hyderabad played 12 tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 182 matches and 87 won matches and having 48.90 winning percentage. Sunrisers Hyderabad qualified 7 times for playoffs and played 3 finals and have 1 trophy in Indian Premier League. Number 3 Kolkata Knight Riders. Kolkata Knight Riders played all tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 252 matches and 131 matches and having 52.58 winning percentage. Kolkata Knight Riders qualified 8 times for playoffs and played 4 finals and have 3 trophies in Indian Premier League. Kolkata Knight Riders the defending champions of the Indian Premier League. Number 2 Mumbai Indians. Mumbai Indians played all tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 261 matches and 142 won matches and having 55.17 winning percentage. Mumbai Indians qualified 10 times for playoffs and played 6 finals and have 5 trophies in Indian Premier League. Mumbai Indians is the most matches played and most matches winning team in Indian Premier League. Mumbai Indians is the first team to won the 5 trophies in Indian Premier League. Number 1 Chennai Super Kings. Chennai Super Kings played 15 tournaments in Indian Premier League. Played 239 matches and 138 won matches and having 58.43 winning percentage. Chennai Super Kings qualified 12 times for playoffs and played 10 finals and have 5 trophies in Indian Premier League. Chennai Super Kings is the most playoffs and most finals played team in Indian Premier League. Chennai Super Kings is the most successful team in Indian Premier League. Thanks for watching.